Yo, what up guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be building my first PC, or gaming PC as you can say. And my subscribers on here, you guys are wondering why like this ain't no car video or car related video, but I just wanted to document myself building my first gaming PC. And yeah, this is something I wanted to do for a very long time, since I was like in 4th grade, but I haven't really gotten around to do it because I was like hella young, and I didn't have money back then. But I've always gamed on console because, you know, my friends are all on there, and it's just what I've been used to my whole life, and I want to switch things up and game on a PC now. And you know, school is online, so I guess I should get into the parts that I got. I went with the ASRock B550M Pro. It's a Micro-ATX board, and I got this because it was pretty cheap, and also it's a B550 board. And also I follow TechSource, a YouTube channel called TechSource. In one of his builds he used this motherboard. Then for our processor, I went with a RYZEN 5 3600. Then for our storage, I went with the Team Group MP33 Pro, 512GB NVMe. And then for our RAM, we got the OLOy WarHawk Platinum Special Edition. It's 16 gigs at 3600 megahertz, and to power everything I got a 600 watt 80 plus bronze rated power supply from EVGA. For our case, I got a Thermaltake S100 TG, let's see, oh, Snow Edition, but I need to unbox it and I'll show you guys. Alright guys, I got the box open and then I'm gonna pull it out right now. Well, it was low-key harder than I thought, bruh. No? Alright, that's the tempered glass. Let me put this on the table real quick so I can show you guys. Alright y'all, I'm gonna take off the plastic wrap now. Ooh. It's a pretty clean Micro-ATX case. Oh yeah, I got my MacBook right here because I am gonna watch a video of to guide me through the PC building process, and watching Joey Delgado. I don't know what happened to him, but he stopped uploading for hecka long already, and I used to watch him all the time when I was younger. I'm going for a black and white theme. Oh guys, this isn't beer, by the way. This is not beer, it's a speaker. It comes with 2 USB 2.0 ports and 1 USB 3.0 port, reset button, and the power button right here, and the audio jack and headphone jack. Alright, so this is a magnetic case, so you can just open it and close it right back up. And also what I like is there's no screws for you to take it off, so you could just, they say you just lift it up, but I don't want to do it with one hand. So, and I have nobody to hold it, and this table is pretty small, as you can tell. So I'm gonna just take it off right now and take off the back panel as well. Alright you guys, I got the front panel off and the back panel off, and these are all the wires that you need to plug into your motherboard to power these buttons up top. So I'm gonna just start off with the motherboard pieces, and I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna get this off, put it down somewhere. Alright y'all, I'm finna start assembling the motherboard parts together, and this is not gonna be a tutorial, so I might just speed things up and add some music or something. Okay, so I got done installing the CPU fan, the RAM, and the NVMe SSD. So then I'm gonna put it into the case now, and I'll see you guys when I'm finished. Yo, chill. Alright, so I ended up putting in the motherboard, then plugging in the CPU power connect.
Stop.
Anyways, I was plugging in, well, I got done plugging in the CPU connector, motherboard connector, USB 3, the front panel connectors. This is the USB 2.0. This is the case fan. And this is the HD audio. Then right here is for my graphics card that I don't have yet, which I'm, you know, I'm trying my best to get one as soon as possible to finish up this PC. That's all I need. And then later on, I'm gonna install a 1 terabyte hard drive or more, if I want to later on, because yeah, 512 gigabyte is not gonna be enough. And you're still not deleting it. But yeah, let's see it turn on. Let's turn off the light, or lights as I should say. Let's power it on. There we go. The fans are working. I know I only have one exhaust fan, but I'm gonna buy more fans as soon as possible because I need intake fans and more exhaust fans up top. And I need a graphics card, and that's it. I'm not gonna peel it off until I get the graphics card. It's actually pretty easy to build a PC. If you know how to read and follow directions, then you could do it. And if you do your research, you know, watch hella YouTube videos and be patient at the end, it feels good because you built something and it turns on, it works. Alright guys, it's March 4th now. I last recorded when it was February 25th when I was building the PC, but all I'm missing is the graphics card. So tomorrow the graphics card should be coming in. I'll reveal it to you guys tomorrow once I actually get it. But today I got my keyboard, which is the Royal Kludge keyboard. It's the RKG68, and I got the brown switches and the color white. I didn't even open it yet. I got it like a couple hours ago. Got it off Amazon. Okay, here it is. Let's take it out. Hold up, let's get to what's in the box first. Okay, mechanical guide, whatever. Okay, so this is the USB-C. So you could use it as wired. And also, what is this? Oh, these are extra switches or whatever. Let's see what else. Oh, this is to take out the keycaps. Let's actually take it out of this plastic. Okay, so here it is. I got the 65%, which comes with these arrow keys and these keys right here, delete key, page up, page down. But if I got the 65%, it would have just been like, just cut off right here with no arrow keys. Yeah, I'll show you guys tomorrow once it's connected to my PC, so then you guys can see the lights and all that. But yeah, I just wanted to open it because I couldn't wait any longer. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yo, what up guys? It is the next day and I finally got my graphics card in, and which will finish up the PC build. yeah, and that's the last part that I needed. And also, my fans are coming in today, probably later on today. I got it from Amazon. So I'll show you guys the graphics card right now. So I got the, alright guys, so I got the EVGA RTX 3060 non-TI 12 gigabytes. I really wanted the TI version, but this is the only one that I could get my hands on. And if you guys didn't know, the graphics cards are really hard to get right now, and this is the only one that I could get my hands on. So I was just like, I'm gonna just get it and finish up the build. And because, you know, PCs you could upgrade anytime, you know. So, and this is a good starter graphics card. So this is the EVGA Gaming XE version, which is supposed to be like $389. And then the the EVGA XE Black is the $330 version. So I can't wait to put this in, and I can finally start up the PC and see if I built it right. Alright y'all, I cut the tape now, so I'm gonna open it right now. Okay, it's in a hella bubble wrap. The card right here. Can't really see, it's in another plastic. Alright, here it is, y'all. The 3060. Been waiting so long to try and get a graphics card, and I finally got picked from the notification on EVGA to buy it. It's a dual fan, and I guess this is the Gaming XE version, so it comes with a higher boost clock, I guess, from factory. Probably not going to be like a big difference on performance. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took off the front panel and the back panel. And I routed the graphics card power connector to this hole right here instead of right here. I just want to see how it would look. So I'm gonna get two. So I know I test fitted the graphics card, and I have to take out the front, these two slots right here, and these I have to break off because these are not the one you have to screw off and it comes out. But it did come with, my case came with two extra ones that you could screw back in. So I'm gonna get to start doing that right now, and I'll see you guys once I start putting in the graphics card. There we go. Hopefully I didn't break anything. There it is, guys. I couldn't do it like this angle because I was having some trouble. When I laid it down, it was easier for me. So I got the two screws that I need to lock it in. Hopefully it boots up. Low-key scared. Oh my god, there we go. Okay, let's see if this thing boots up. Freaking scared. But I'm gonna put the back panels on later. Oh yeah, when I was doing it, my fans came in, so I'm going to be installing that later on after I know it's working. Alright y'all, I'm going to be starting it right now. Oh yeah, I didn't plug in my freaking exhaust fan yet. We got signal. Oh my god, we got a signal. Reboot, and we're into whatever. Alright y'all, I got so scared when it said like select the proper boot device or something, but I just got the Windows installation on my USB and I plugged it in and I restart my computer and it works. So I'm I'm gonna use this mouse. Don't make fun of me for this mouse, guys. I just found it laying around in the house. I don't have my mouse yet. I ordered it. I ordered a mouse and mouse pad, and it'll be coming in, I don't know when. I got the Glorious Model O and the mouse pad, and I don't know when it's coming. It says like 5 to 10 days, which is hella long, so I'm gonna have to use this crap for now, but it's whatever. I'm gonna set up Windows, and I'll see you guys later on. Alright guys, I got everything all set up on the PC, but all we need to do now is just install the RGB fans that I bought from Amazon. So here they are. I got the brand up here. Yeah, they're cheap RGB fans, but I see a lot of reviews and a lot of people get them. This is the fans that get controlled by a remote. Let's get to installing them now because I want to get everything all finished up. But I'm gonna just skip that part because I know you guys don't want to. You guys just want to see how it will look on screen and everything. I'll see you guys then. Alright you guys, I got the fans installed. I got 2 on top, 1 in the back. These 3 are for exhaust. Okay, these 3 are for intake, and these light up. So I'm gonna start up the PC, see if it actually lights up. Start it up. Another cable management, low-key ugly. Okay, this is blue. I'm blue right now. I could definitely feel the air coming out. Yep. That's exactly what I wanted. And also I downloaded all the drivers and GeForce Experience. And I did set up my monitor to be 165 Hz. And my graphics card settings to like fully performance and all that crap. Well, let's see if the controller works, because it did come with a controller. Yo, how the hell you freaking change it? Whatever, I'll mess with it later. But yeah, anyways guys, well, that's gonna be the end of the video. Oh yeah, I forgot, I'm so dumb. I'm gonna peel off this plastic. First, let's start off with the one that's on the inside. Been waiting to do this for so long. Now for the one on the outside. Alright, let's close this all the way. There we go. Yeah, I'll put the specs down in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys.